In this video, I will show you how to find hidden apps on Android. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come into your settings. So if you just go ahead and open up the settings on your device, and what you want to do is look for the home screen section. So you can see that's just here. Go ahead and give that a press. And then from here, you should see an option that says hide apps on home and app screen. So you want to press onto this option. At the very top, you're going to see your current hidden apps. So to go ahead and find your hidden apps, you can find it in here. And to remove this as a hidden app and make it show on your home screen, all you need to do is press onto the app itself. That's going to remove it from hidden apps, and you will now see if we search for this particular app, it should now be coming up on our home screen. So that is how to go ahead and find hidden apps on Android. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.